What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Bonk, which has pumped up in value quite a bit earlier on yesterday and right now has dropped back down, and overall it is up just about 4% in the last 24 hours, nothing too major. So as usual we are going to be looking at its predictions for the rest of the year. There's only about a week left, and going into 2024, what can we expect from Bonk? Has any predictions changed? And looking at how high and how low this crypto can go next year, and first of all, is it even worth investing into the crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which as usual gives us the SMA indicator, and we can see that the value of Bonk is getting very close to the SMA indicator. So it is pretty much on target at the moment, so it is not overvalued like it was earlier on last week. So it is performing quite well, but as you guys can clearly see, it has dropped. Let's have a look, over about 15% in the last 7 days. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected from Bonk over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially by midday tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, that doesn't mean that it's not going to hit any green candles. It is likely to pump up a little bit higher over the next couple of hours before it slowly starts to drop back down by midday tomorrow. So do expect it to be quite volatile, hit with the green and red candles, but at the moment the overall outcome unfortunately seems to be more on the negative side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Looking a little bit more positive. We can see the orange line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is slightly slanting towards the positive direction as well. So both the lines are again going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive. So an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Bonk over the next 7 to 8 days. So essentially by the end of next week, Bonk should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs or anything like that from Bonk at the moment. I'm expecting very minimal increases in value, even though it is likely to hit red candles over the coming days. By mid to end of next week, it should slowly start to pick up in value, gaining value, meaning trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, now we are not looking too great. The blue and the orange line are looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So this is not a good sign, because an overall drop in value is what is expected. And as I keep saying and keep mentioning, as I'm expecting Bonk to go for an overall, well, I'll call it a crash for now. By March 2024, it should have dropped back down below this value here, heading back down into the red zone. I'll show you guys what I mean by the red zone later on in the video, but yeah, I'm expecting an overall drop. Reason for that is because if I show you guys the monthly chart, we can see it's pumped up 360%, and over the year it's done about 17,000%, and about at least 10,000% did come from the last 2 months guys, which again means the crypto is way overvalued at the moment. So it is likely to drop back down further over the coming weeks and months as well, dropping all the way back down to where it was trading at back in about September, October time. So yeah, an overall I'll call it a crash for now. But again, as mentioned, if there are any major changes to that, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the blue zone here and have been in the blue zone since about a week now. What I'm expecting next is for it to pump back up into the top tier level here over the coming week, and potentially in Q1 of 2024 the crypto should drop back down slowly into the red zone. That's what I mentioned earlier on in the video. So around February, March time, the crypto should have dropped back down into the red zone is what I'm expecting at the moment, as I mentioned, due to the fact that I am expecting that the crypto is way overvalued right now. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has once again dropped by 23%, making it $230 million in trading, due to the fact that the crypto has consistently been hitting red candles over the last 7 to 8 days. So not many people have been trading the crypto. Most people have just been holding back. And I did warn you guys when the crypto was pumping. Let's have a look here. About a week or two ago, when it was pumping like crazy, I did let you guys know, do expect it to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a dip before Christmas, and that is exactly what's happened. And I'm telling you guys, my prediction for the next couple of weeks and months is not looking too good. So if I was to invest into this crypto right now, I would consider, think about it twice before investing, because it is still a very risky investment, especially the fact that how it's been performing over the last 2 to 3 months has not been, well, it has been great until you invest into it when it is at its highest point, and now you're quite on a loss. It is not too good. But yeah, this is a crypto that I won't be investing into. I am keeping away from it. But again, you guys are loving these updates, so of course I will keep you guys updated with my predictions and my takes on this crypto. So what I want you guys to do is comment down below what is the highest figure you guys are expecting this crypto to hit in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.